These are fresh and cool transitions for any kind of videos that you have already seen in blogs, YouTube videos, and even popular TV shows. This package includes more than 300 handcrafted transitions. All kinds of typical movement animations combined with stylish effect. Of course, this package supports handy Animation Studio extension, which makes it very easy to use. One click to add, auto resize for any resolution, everything you need is in this high-quality product. Let's start from classic static transitions with amazing film strip effects. Cool? Let's see another categories. Zoom transitions with target zoom effect. Spin transitions. Panoramic warp. Roll category with all directions. This package allows you to use any transition multiple times for any kinds of products. Make your video for social media look like a true movie. A new way to create.